check this out.
Yeah.
Snazzy.
Yeah.
I'll be up here for a minute.
What are we doing today, Tyler?
We're installing Aeromotive latches, or Aerocatch latches. I am going to tighten this and then very carefully pull this in. Paint's gonna make quite a bit of crackling, but you are repainting, aren't you?
Yeah, at some point.
Yeah, alright, so that's what we're gonna do, very carefully. Yep, it don't take much. Now I know where they land.
Send her home.
No regrets?
No regrets.
Go.
It's hard to have regrets on what I spent on this.
You sure?
Yeah.
There's no takesies. This is it. This is the moment.
Do it!
You sure?
You want to kill me?
Is it the anticipation?
No, that's holding the camera the entire time.
Oh.
I'm a weakling.
Well.
Like butter. Is that the BuildBoostDrive flag? Is that what that is now?
Japan?
Well, Japan's a circle.
Yeah.
That's a triangle. Or a diamond, where the hell you
Know
want.
your flags. I can smell resin. It smells magical.
Whew.
Yep.
That is an interesting smell, isn't it?
Yeah. Make it out, that was pretty close. Now it's just gonna come down to, yeah. what he wants.
I want to die.
Yeah. Is that about what you want to shoot for?
Yeah, I like that. So
once you figure out this location, this kind of doesn't go anywhere. But you can change your location depending on where you have this mounted, or the way you got it cocked. So when you have it set, kind of just step back and play with one side to see where you like it angled. Then you could take...
We are talking about plastic, right?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and you could take a metal one.
I keep laughing, I'm not sure why.
I like to use metrics because I'm a jerk. And I measured 13 to the edge of the hood.
That's what you got.
Off the
right
back
there.
corner. Yep, that's where I wrote 13 at. I just came to the opposite side. Like I was sitting down here earlier. Pushed on that same corner and then I just pushed it up till I saw 13 again. And lo and behold, there's my marks. There it goes. Yeah, about 13. Babushki.
Alright, after measuring and cutting, that's what we're left with. We just gotta alter the rods and they should drop right in. And then it's just a matter of drilling.
Marking the holes, make a couple quick pilot holes, see if we can't glue the nuts into the retainers and send it home.
Yeah, maybe.
Maybe. Yeah. Still got more trimming to do down, Dale.
I'll use the Dremel for that.
Maybe.
Just to sand it down a bit. Say that again?
I fitted them per side, so this side fits the best on that side, so I labeled it. So whenever you go to do body work or anything like that, all you gotta do is rotate it and go, well, which hinge was this one?
We'll be doing a lot of body work coming up.
I know you will.
Nice. Tyler, you've outdone yourself once again. Looks really good.
I've never done this before.
Well, now when you get yours.
Yeah,
I know you want to get, what, the Evo style?
I really want that AB hood.
AB hood?
But I'm not gonna have funds for that until I start selling stuff.
Yeah, I know. I know how that is.
Yeah.
I might get that hood in the future too myself. I'm happy with this for now. Just a little, yeah. For my drive, it's a little extra anchoring.
Because that.
Yeah.
That's why you don't trust carbon fiber hoods. Metal.
Which I can't tell what caused that because the latch is right here. Oh, from that hitting? Probably. That makes sense.
Slamming nice and hard.
That makes sense, yeah.
And these holes aren't too god awful ugly. If you had to, you can put one of those little edgers on there. Kind of clean it up.
I could just make like a plug.
No, we can't make a plug because of that. The thing.
I put a hole in the plug. I'm just saying I could make a plug that covers most of the hole.
Fair enough.
I'll just take some like plastic and just adhesion right there because once I'll probably have to take these out one more time to get this painted.
Check this out. Snazzy.
Yeah. I'll probably have to take this off one more time to get painted. I'm not sure if I'm going to paint these yet, but
I don't think you should.
no, just leave it.
I like the contrast. Yeah. I like contrast.
Yeah, it makes sense. That's kind of what I was thinking too. But I take them out one more time to get it painted, and then I can just make a plug for them. So they probably won't have to come off for a long time after that. Nice. Now it won't fly up at me. That's all I was worried about going down the highway.
Road trip, it won't.
No. Bitchin'.